Push-ups, 20 reps. Don't forget to check off the drills as you complete them. Give it your best.
Want to learn more about the Nike Training Club app? Well, stay tuned, because in this video, I go over everything you need to know. Hey, if you're new here, my name is Kevin and I'm a certified personal trainer and nutrition coach. And on my channel, you'll find weekly reviews, tips and tutorials on fitness apps, equipment, and more. So you're here today because you're interested in the Nike Training Club app. This fitness app, which is available on iPhones, iPads, and Android devices, offers a wide range of workouts and programs. If you have an Apple TV, you can also broadcast the app through AirPlay. This app shouldn't be confused with the Nike Run Club app, which is a Nike app that's focused on running. And you can find my review on that app right over here when it's ready. Rather, the Nike Training Club app offers endurance, mobility, strength, and yoga workouts, which can be further filtered by muscle group and equipment available. Even better is that there used to be a premium version of the app, but Nike decided to roll out all its features into one free version. So today I'm going to walk you through the app and its features, go over what's good and bad about it, and then give you my overall recommendation. Let's start with the workouts. Workouts. So like I mentioned before, you can actually filter workouts in a lot of different ways. I'll go over these filters in greater detail, but you can expect to search for workouts based on format, which includes classes, whiteboard, time and reps, duration, which includes 15, 30, and 45-minute workouts, equipment, from none to basic to full, level, from beginner to intermediate to advanced, intensity, from low to moderate to high, and focus, which includes strength, endurance, and mobility. Strangely, yoga isn't included in these filters, but it is another focus that is available. At the time of this video, there are over 400 workouts available on the app, and it's updated with workouts from their 14 master trainers. Finding a class based on muscle group will allow you to find workouts dedicated to abs and core, arms and shoulders, and glutes and legs. You're also able to filter based on the workout focus, which includes endurance, mobility, strength, and yoga. And just to provide some helpful context, endurance training focuses on increasing your breathing and heart rate to keep your heart, lungs, and circulatory system healthy. Mobility training allows you to improve your range of movement, which reduces the risk of injury. Strength training increases your muscle mass, strength of your bones, and connective tissues. And yoga helps you improve your balance and flexibility while also helping you relax and manage stress. There are 4 workout formats to choose from: class, whiteboard, time, and reps. In a class style workout, you'll have a full workout video where you're guided by a trainer who explains every exercise very thoroughly and is guided by a timer.
Back of the leg, little bit of core here, 15 more seconds. Really push, and then control the landing.
Also, it's worth mentioning that these classes don't have preset music like Apple Fitness Plus and Peloton. And if you want to see my reviews on those fitness apps, go ahead and check out those links right over here. When it comes to music, you can actually use your own songs to play in the background. And if you don't play anything, all you hear is the trainer's voice. And sometimes that might be preferable if all you want to focus on is the trainer. In a whiteboard workout, you'll be given a list of exercises to perform, as well as the number of reps and the number of times you'll repeat each exercise block. Once you finish a set of exercises, you tap the next set below. For time-based workouts, you're following along a list of exercises and performing them for a certain duration. There's a voice that explains the movements, and there's also a loop video at the top showing the trainer performing an exercise. As you perform the exercise and time passes, a lime green bar shows your progress.
You should be feeling this in your glutes, not your lower back. Time for dead bugs for 50 seconds.
In a rep-based workout, you follow along a list of exercises and perform them for a certain amount of reps. Like with time-based workouts, a voice explains the movements, and there's a video at the top showing a trainer performing the exercise. Only this time, instead of a time progress bar, it's up to you to check out the exercise before you can move on to what comes next.
Push-ups, 20 reps. Don't forget to check off the drills as you complete them. Give it your best. Burpees, 20 reps. Each step equals 1 rep.
When you search for a class based on equipment, you'll see options for basic, full, and no equipment. No equipment classes, as you may have guessed, will consist of bodyweight workouts, so you won't need anything but yourself. Basic equipment classes will require you to have tools such as dumbbells, yoga mats, jump ropes, kettlebells, medicine balls, benches, plyo boxes, and foam rollers. Full equipment classes include everything from basic equipment classes, but may also require pull-up bars, rowing machines, and barbells. In addition, you'll be cycling through a wide range of equipment too, so you'll need to have access to all those tools at once. When it comes to live stream workouts, there are a few that are available. They're not something that you can filter to find, but they do have their own special category when looking for workouts under the For You tab. These are live workouts that are filmed from the homes of the trainers that you can follow along to.
To the top of the mat, step back with that right leg, big reach up and across with your right arms.
Once you complete a workout, unless you have an Apple Watch, there is no post-workout data available. You will be asked to rate how challenging a class was and where you worked out from, whether it be the gym, home, or outside. But other than that, nothing else. If you do have an Apple Watch, you are told your calories burned and average heart rate. However, that's about it. And even if you have an external heart rate monitor, it's still not compatible with the Nike Training Club app. So if you want that data, you'll need an Apple Watch. And while we're on the topic of Apple Watches, Apple Watch integration. The Nike Training Club app works perfectly with the Apple Watch. As soon as you start a workout from your iPhone, your Apple Watch begins tracking the workout. This allows you to monitor your heart rate, calories burned, and more. And depending on your workout format, it'll display specific types of information. For example, if you're doing a class or whiteboard workout, you'll see a timer along with your calories. If you do a time-based or rep-based workout, you'll actually see the exercises on your watch. If it's a time-based workout, it'll automatically switch to the next movement once time is complete.
Roll up one vertebra at a time.
And if it's a rep-based workout, you can tap on the screen to transition to the next exercise once you've completed all the designated reps.
Give it your best. Burpees, 20 reps.
So if you have an Apple Watch, it'll work really nicely with the Nike Training Club app. Programs. There are some programs available on the app. So if you have a specific goal in mind, such as building your strength or improving your flexibility, Nike has a way to help you achieve them. These programs are different from what Nike calls collections. Collections are really just a group of related workouts that have similar goals. Programs, on the other hand, are much more in-depth and provide a lot more tailored guidance and support. Each program has a dedicated trainer and is broken down into stages. You can see how long each program is, how often you'll be working out each week, the fitness level, as well as how long the workouts are. You'll also be told what equipment you need and the environment the workouts are designed for. These programs aren't just focused on workouts, but also nutrition and overall wellness. So each stage not only has workouts, but also articles for you to read so you can learn more about different health topics that will support you in your programming. Achievements. The more you work out and use the app, the more achievements you'll earn. Nike has all these badges you can achieve, so if you're motivated by accumulating different awards, Nike offers many for different milestones you hit. These include working out on specific days like New Year's or your birthday, hitting a certain number of total workouts, completing a certain number of workouts in a week, and working out every single week or months in a row. Nutrition and wellness support. In addition to workouts, Nike wants to make sure you have guidance when it comes to nutrition and overall wellness. So they offer a variety of health articles you can read through. Some articles include videos with the trainer explaining more on the topic.
I want to go over recovery and the importance of recovery and how we should recover.
And much of the nutrition content includes healthy recipes you can prepare. Nike Store. If you are interested in purchasing Nike gear, there's a tab at the bottom of the app that brings you to the store, where you can browse their shoes, clothing, new releases, and more. And you can buy them directly from the app. Social features. There aren't many social features when it comes to the app. There is a community activity tab where I did connect with some friends, but nothing seems to populate. So I'd say this app is really just a tool meant for you to use as an individual. So now that I've gone through everything you can expect from the app, I'm gonna go ahead and talk about what I liked and what can be improved about it. But before I do, if you're getting value out of this video, be sure to smash the like button and hit subscribe for more fitness app content like this. The good. I think the app is really comprehensive in that it offers so many different types of workout formats and allows you to specify what exactly you want to work on and how you'd like to work on it. It really caters to people who have vastly different workout preferences. For those who want the guidance of a trainer through their class style workouts, this app has those available. And the same goes for those who like to do a lot of circuit training with whiteboard workouts, and those who prefer to work with time and rep-based workouts. When you do choose to work out with a trainer in a class, they explain everything very thoroughly so you know exactly what to do and how each movement should feel. And the production level is really high in these videos. The control you have over the music and audio is really cool too, because if you wanted to just focus on what the trainer is saying, you don't have to play music. And if you do, you're in full control of whatever music you want. And the app is pretty intuitive when it comes to finding the workouts you want and filtering. In addition, I think the programs are really detailed and are executed very well. They give the participant a lot of guidance and support when it comes to achieving specific goals. Also, I think this app stands out in terms of support for different types of equipment, like medicine balls, pull-up bars, and rowers. The bad. While this app excels in a lot of areas, there are instances where it's weak. For instance, even though it has really detailed filtering capabilities, the number of classes that are actually available for those specific parameters are pretty low. For example, if you wanted to find an endurance class that was 30 minutes long for beginners, only 3 classes meet that criteria. And if you wanted a 45-minute class with those same parameters, 0 classes meet that criteria. And that's something I noticed across the board when plugging in different filters, that there were very few classes that meet specific combinations of search filters. In addition, although the programs are executed very well, there's still very few of them. At the time of this video, there are only 9, and it's not really clear how new or old these programs are. Also, the inability to use anything other than an Apple Watch to measure your calories and heart rate is a bummer, especially if you have an external heart rate monitor that works very well. A lack of comprehensive social features is another missing factor with this app. Although there are options to add friends, there's not much else to it than that. That social support is just missing. Overall recommendation. Overall, I'd say this is a quality fitness app and you get a lot for the price of nothing. There are so many different ways to work out, and the app can help you achieve a wide range of fitness goals. The big problem is you may not be able to find many classes using specific search parameters. There is high production value when it comes to these workouts, and they are enjoyable to go through. The trainers explain things very thoroughly, but if you'd rather have a computerized voice guide you in what to do, that's an option as well. I'd say because this app caters to many different workout styles, it's definitely worth trying out, especially since it's free. So that was my review of the Nike Training Club app. Do you think you're gonna give it a try? Let me know in the comments below. Be sure to like and subscribe for more fitness app content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.